Anola – passive income on crypto. Hello everyone! Today we will look at passive investing in the cryptocurrency industry. I think you can guess about what project we will talk about. Of course, this platform is Anola. Let's also take a look at the project website. The site is made very bright and high quality. Everything works fast. On the main page, there is general information about the project. After reading it, we see that the main products the company has several. It is a passive investment in deposits with floating rates. Investing in a unique algorithm Anola, self-trading crypto assets. Here Anola acts as a broker, as well as a fully protected cold wallet. The company also runs an active blog where it talks about the crypto world for those who are still just getting acquainted with cryptocurrencies. But even an experienced cryptocurrency user will find this blog interesting to read. Well, now let's look at the main thing. How much can you earn on investments with Anola? The first type of investments is standard, in the sense that the returns are not very high. For investing Bitcoin for 100 days, you will get 0.4% to your deposit. It is not much, but also there are no risks. The second way to invest is to use the Anola algorithm. This is a very cool thing. It is behind the innovative technology with multi-billion and even trillion-dollar turnover in the market. What is Anola algorithm? Developers keep the algorithm secret. Only the yield is known. It is 18% for 30 days, which equals the daily income of 0.6%. This is an excellent yield. At about the same level, professional traders can keep the bar of profitability on the cryptocurrency exchanges and the foreign exchange market. Many people have doubts at once. Is it really so? And will the investments really take profit? And most importantly, can I withdraw money without any problems? Let's check it using my personal example. To begin with, let me remind to add information about yourself, as well as the country of residence. KYC is the requirement of the regulator, and the company complies with the laws. Previously, we have already invested our $500 in the algorithm Anola for a period of 44 days. As we can see, taking into account reinvestment, the amount of interest received is impressive. For 44 days, we should get about $150. Let's see what happens if we invest another $500 for a period of 44 days. You can see that compound interest is able to increase the deposit. This is an incredible investment opportunity. And how is the company doing with withdrawal? And everything is great with withdrawal. Even in the last video, we showed that successfully able to withdraw money to a personal wallet. Here is confirmation of transaction. Here is absolutely safe and passive income, friends. And another plus is that there is a referral program, and you can earn a percentage of those whom you are invited. And that means even you don't have your own money to invest, you can earn them by inviting your friends and acquaintances to the project. You will earn affiliate commissions every time Anola charges a percentage of your commission for some or other services. In general, the project is crazy cool. It is definitely worth investing here, and we have already invested $1,000. Well, on this positive note, we end our review. Thanks a lot for your attention, friends. We will be glad to get your likes and comments.